Baking has been my whole life. My grandmother used to bake. Me and my mother used to bake together, and now, I bake on a regular basis with my kids. I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. My son is 8, and my little girl is 1, so he helps out a lot. Right now, I'm working towards an associate's degree in baking and pastry arts. Pierpont Community Technical College complements my lifestyle by having the attention that I need during class. I really enjoy how interactive the classes are. It's a very friendly environment. While I was considering my options, a lot of my other friends are drowning in student loan debt right now, and that's just not something that I wanted to partake in. So my friend who works in financial aid, we applied for some scholarships on the Pierpont website. I also applied for a WV Invest grant, and I got that too, and it covered what the scholarship didn't, and I'm just so happy about it. I'm so excited to be able to express myself and be creative in a career that I know I'm going to love, and to show my kids that, you can have a career in something that's fun, something where you can express yourself, and something where you can be yourself, and it doesn't always have to be, serious business. Pierpont has given me the opportunity to develop a skill set to do something that I love. I couldn't ask for a better place to pursue my dream.